Yes.
So what's your name?
My name is Abdullah Matkununtar Tibi Pambudi.
Wow! Say it slowly. Hold this. Hold this. Okay, we're going live, okay?
Live?
Yep. Okay. Is it on? I hope it is. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good evening, audience. Alhamdulillah, today is a special day. I have met my new students for the first time. So, Alhamdulillah, this year we've got these two students and I haven't talked to them before. And now is the first time for me to talk to them. Let's have some conversation with them so that all the students here can know who are they and how did they become like this. Okay, so the first question is, where do you come from?
I'm from Madiun.
You're from Madiun. How about you?
I come from Purwantoro.
Purwantoro.
Yes.
So what's your name?
My name is Abdullah Matkununtar Tibi Pambudi.
Wow! Say it slowly.
My name is Abdullah Matkununtar Tibi Pambudi.
That's it. It was more longer than that. Yeah, that's it. So what is your nickname?
My nickname is Ibi.
Wait, Ibi or TB? Ibi?
Ibi.
Oh no. Okay then, you.
Ica Aprilia Putri Abadi.
Ica Aprilia
Putri Abadi.
Putri Abadi. Your nickname?
April.
April.
Yes.
Okay then. So our next question is, the first time I talked to you, I heard you. I didn't talk to you before, right?
Yes.
I heard that you are very fluent in English.
Actually not, because my grammar is not so good actually.
Okay, put your mic closer to your mouth.
Here,
How did you learn English?
my father, my stepfather.
Your stepfather,
Yes.
he speaks English
He's Singaporean.
also since you were small.
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. What about you?
I learned English from Kuman.
From who?
From Kuman.
Kuman. Oh,
It's
nice.
private lessons.
Yeah, private lesson. Okay, it's raining, so we're going to step to another question, and that is, why English?
My mother, when I was a child, I used to buy some English CDs so I can learn English properly.
So you can learn other language then. Why English? Do you like it best or?
Yes, my mother said that I like English, so I have to learn English more.
What about you? Why did you choose English more?
It's actually because my stepfather want me to learn about 5 languages.
5 languages.
Yes.
So
For
you
basic.
learn about 5 languages.
Yes.
One of them is English.
English. Yes.
Okay, nice. So, being in an English boarding school, how do you feel?
Happy?
You feel
Maybe.
happy?
Yes,
You feel happy? Why?
because there's English. Yeah, that's it.
That's it. And your environment speaks English.
Yes, yes.
What about you? How do you feel?
I feel good enough than before.
Okay. So over here, you are free to express your language
Yes.
because everybody is here, are there to talk to you in English.
Yes.
Okay, the last question is, do you have something to say to your friends? About English,
Run.
of course. Hurry. April,
Wait, what the question?
do you have something to say to your friends about English?
I just want to say enjoy English and learn that with me, all the
What
grammar.
about you?
I'm with April maybe.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. That's it because it's raining. We have to stop here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.